Most developers can run Docker Compose, but can't explain what a service definition actually contains. Let's fix that. A Docker Compose file organizes everything under a top-level services key. Each child key you add under services becomes the name of one container. For example, you might have a web service and a DB service, each defined as a separate name block with its own configuration. Inside each service block, you need to tell Compose what container to run. Use the image key to pull a pre-built image from a registry, like Unix or Postgres. Or use the build key to point to a directory containing a Docker file, and Compose will build the image for you before starting the container. To make a service reachable from outside its container, add a ports key. Each entry maps a host port to a container port using host:\container notation. So 8080:80 means traffic hitting port 8080 on your machine gets forwarded into port 80 inside the container. Two more useful options. Environment lets you inject key value pairs directly into the container, while env_file loads them from a .env file. And if one service needs another to be running first, say your app needs the database up, use depends_on to declare that startup order. To ace this question, services go under the top-level services key, you specify image or build, then configure ports, environment variables, and depends_on as needed. Follow for more Docker essentials. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.